Hi, I'm General Pole and welcome to my Cobblestone Generator tutorial. So this is my Cobblestone Generator. It's very simple and basic design. So I switch on the switch and that starts it. And you can see here it'll just start pumping out cobblestone all along here. So what's happening is the lava runs down, hits the water inside here, creating a cobblestone block. The observer then sees the change and then it triggers the circuit which activates the piston, pushing the new cobblestone block out. Okay, so for this build you will need 13 building blocks. Use one that is a different colour to cobblestone. You'll need 12 pistons, a lever, an observer. You also need a redstone torch, a redstone repeater, and 21 redstone. You'll also need a bucket of lava and a bucket of water. Let's get started. So first things first is take your building blocks and go 2 across and 3 down and 1 in, and then skip a block and go 3 across, 3 down and 2 back in this way, so you end up with this kind of shape here. Next you'll take your piston and you're going to place it here facing into the center, and then you're going to mine this block away here. Take your bucket of water and place it here, and it'll pour into this hole. That'll stop it flooding out. Now you'll take your lava bucket and place it here. Now as soon as the lava flows, it hits the water and creates a cobblestone block. So now you'll want to place your observer facing down into this block like so. Now take your building blocks and place one here on the side of the observer, and now you'll take your redstone repeater and place it facing this direction here like so, and you're going to put this up to maximum ticks. Okay, now you'll take your redstone, put it on the observer on the building block and along here like so, and down onto the ground and along here and into our piston like this. So when the circuit triggers, it will switch all on. Now we'll put a switch here. This is for turning on and off the generator. Okay, so that's the basic generator done. Now we just need to add a few more pistons in order to push the newly created cobblestone away from the system. So to do that, we're going to place 11 of our pistons along like this. So it's just going to be 11 pistons in a row, all facing this direction, like so. Okay. Now on the last one, you're going to destroy the block below here like this and place a redstone torch. So whenever the cobblestone reaches the whole length of this, the cobblestone will gain a redstone charge and trigger this circuit here, which will power all of these pistons and push that row of cobblestone up a block. Okay, so that is us pretty much finished. Now the reason we used 11 pistons along here, it was because that's the maximum distance the initial piston can push the newly created cobblestone down the system. So I've broke this block and it just triggers the system here. You can see it's pumping out new cobblestone. As the observer detects a new cobblestone every time, it triggers the circuit, and we'll just keep pushing cobblestone down along the system to the end. And you can see there, once their cobblestone block goes above the redstone torch, it triggers the circuit and the pistons fire, pushing that row of cobblestone up a block. You can see here again, as it reaches again, it pushes that newly created row out a section. Now this will keep pushing rows of cobblestone up to a maximum of 13. That's as far as the pistons will push the blocks. So once we have our 13 rows like so, the system will automatically jam up as it can't push any more blocks. So what you'll want to do is flick the switch. This will turn the system off. And then I find the best way is to mine these last few blocks around here, like so. And you can see here the pistons are firing out. That's okay. Just take this row out first, like so, and the system resets. Now you can quickly mine the rest. I always do the inside here again because you don't want to damage your generator, and from here you can then quickly harvest the rest of your cobblestone. I recommend you use a pickaxe that has the efficiency enchant, as this will greatly speed things along. And once you have your cobblestone all mined, just switch the system back on again and your generator should start generating once more. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Subscribe and click that bell. Thanks for watching.